Hello, everybody. This is Leebles, and welcome back to Lazy Engineering, my Space Engineers Let's Play. Last episode, you guys probably remember that we got our butts kicked. Um, I've gotten everything kind of cleaned up and mainly replaced. You can see, got our power going back. Um, I decided to turn the music back on because playing without music kind of ruined the vibe a little bit. We did finish our refinery, um, and we did go ahead and finish our greenhouse. You can see that I filled this in back here. I got a bunch of programmable blocks for some scripts that I want to be running. I'm probably going to move the goat and the build and repair and some other things in there so you can have more space in here. And I did get my shield up and going. I turned on the gravel sifters, got some more platinum, and that's the thing now. I'll go ahead and have a look at our greenhouse. You can see we got some plants going. Very lovely. So that's the thing. This episode, basically we got some things to do. Kill that. So we got some stuff that I want to do this today. Let's go ahead and have a look at our to-do list. So we need to work on ice gathering. Greenhouse is done. More power. I want to build a hydrogen plant. We got a landing pad. The Atmos Scout, we're gonna go ahead and rebuild one eventually. BAR rover, and then go to space. So what we're working on today is finishing up the... Alright, one second. I gotta turn this down a little bit. It's a little too loud for me to think. And the music is like overwhelming. I like the music, but we don't need it all the time, guys. Okay, anyway. So, let's go ahead. I don't want to grab some steel plates. So let's just grab like, I don't know, 100 of those. And let's grab like 100 interior plates. Okay. So first things first, we're gonna come over here. And you can see that I do have a something hanging there. That's actually the projector for when I want to project stuff. Let's go G. I want to go build and repair. So I'll grab one of these. And we're going to want conveyors. Let's go ahead and grab one of these. And let's go ahead and grab one of these. So let's start with the building and repair units. And I'm going to want a bunch of these. So I'm going to start back here. And I'm just going to turn it like so. And I'm going to put in as many of these as I can fit, really, in a single line. Because we're going to be building a big ship. And I want it to build fast. Alright, so it ain't going to fit there, but it'll fit here. That's fine.
Fuel low.
Uh-oh. Okay, and then this side we're going to do the exact same thing. So we're going to get as many of these down as we can get. Right. And we'll see how that goes about building our ship. When it's done. Might need a few more. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and go 7. And we're going to need to go ahead and do this. And then let's go ahead and just fill these in. And then this one, I'm going to do something along the lines of that. Bring it back that way. Go like so. Like so. Just like this. Actually, it doesn't really matter, but I don't want that there. That's gotta be one of these other ones here. Like that. And we're gonna do the same thing here. So you're gonna go that. And we need a T-junction. And we're going to bring it down like this. Okay. This one's going to get a connection. Just like that. Alright, we need to come over here and find that one. this guy. Let's go to pipe. Where's our super long pipe? Let's see. Do a 9. Just grab this guy. Oh, we got this 5. Okay. That works. Come over here. Let me right on you. You're going to get a conveyor. And you're going to get a connector. Okay. We're going to go back to number 5. Alright, come on. Uh-oh. Somebody got angry. Alright, and then let's go number 7. Turn that sucker around. We need that way, I believe. Yep. Okay. Go number 5 again. Okay. Go ahead and clean this out. We can go number 7. Let's get a T-junction here. And a straight pipe. Alright. It's almost getting repaired. Oh, it's still working on those. Oh, that's interesting. Alright. As soon as we get these hooked up, and into one of these, it can start getting these turned on. Which one are you? You were the first one, right? Okay, you were 74. Were you the first? No, you were the first one. 10. These are all going to be building repair group number 2. Two, save, turn you on. Right. Come on over here. Our hydrogen's low, that's fine. So let's go ahead and go building repair group 2. Automatic push pull on. We want this to be in fly mode. And we're going to grind if weld is stuck. Alright, so with that being said, this is all hooked up now. We can actually start working on crafting up our ship, which I'm going to do right now. There it is. We are making the Red Explorer from the Core Systems updated trailer. Because why not? It looks cool. That being said, let's go ahead. Get that going. Alright, while that's doing that, let's go ahead and work on project number 2. Which is going to be setting up a hydrogen tank farm. And the H2O2 generators. Apparently this is a large one. So we're gonna have a look at that. And this one just because it looks cool. Alright, alright. It burned through a lot of our materials already. Alright, so we're going to come over here. Honestly. Oh, gee, I need my little dude here. Okay. And honestly, we're just gonna build a little platform out this way. Probably roughly the same size. I'm kind of in a hurry because I am not feeling well. I have not been feeling well all day, or all weekend rather, and I am definitely on the clock as far as how long I can stay at my desk, so. As I am definitely starting to feel nauseous again. Oh, let's see here. We all have steel plates. We are out of steel plates. Let's go ahead and just put another like 10,000 steel plates into production. We got more than enough iron there, buddy. We got like 13 million iron. Pretty sure we're good. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to control panel. And I'm going to go build a recur group, and I'm just going to toggle you off for now. Same thing with you. That way I can build up my stuff. Okay. And we'll go back in the control panel. And we'll go ahead and toggle everybody back on. Alright. Alright, cool. Okay. So let's go ahead and finish sending out our blocks. Right. I need to make this bigger, I can. Not worried about it right now. Just want to try to get a a base down to put my hydrogen tanks. Alright. Let's go 5. I want one there. And I want one there. I want one there. And I want one there. And then I'm going to come and I'm going to turn that upside down. One there. One there. One there. And one there. Okay. Alright, then those are going to get put in. And then let's go ahead and finish filling this out. Okay. Over here, let's go ahead and look at number 6. This is a large H2O2 generator. I was going to put one here. One here. And possibly one here. And then if I need more, I'll just put more on, like, next to it. It does have one on most sides, so I can just stack them if I need to. Alright, so basically what's going to happen now, guys, is... I believe we've been recording for about 30 minutes already. I'm going to go ahead and get this welded up. And you can see our ship's coming along. So let's go ahead and, before we call the episode, check on our ship. You see that it's coming along. So, part of it's been welded, part of it hasn't been. This has been welded. What we can do, though, is have a look, see at what's been welded and what ain't been. So, at this point, we got some blocks in here. Other blocks, not so much. Fall through. So that's coming along. Probably need some more assemblers, to be honest. So actually, how many metal plates do I have on here? Got a few. So what I can do is a G menu, go assembler. Let's see here. The basic assembler, project assembler, industrial assembler, force field generators. So let's go ahead and grab this guy. Let's grab some speed. And we want the conveyors. Okay, good point. Come off of here. 7. Yeah. Cross connect. Okay. 7. And I need a down. We can go 5. 5. And we need 6. Beam modules. On the top. Alright.
Fuel critical.
I'm aware. Alright. Go ahead and get some. Let's go ahead and get some stuff. We also need to eat. See if we got any food in here. We do. I need some spaghetti. And we're going to finish this guy. Alright. If we need any more, we can put another row here. And even another row over there. I think that's going to do it for us today, guys. We got quite a bit done. Ship's coming along nice. Our building repairs are going. And we're going to have our hydrogen storage going here pretty soon. So by next episode, that'll be built. And we can set up a ice farm. That should be built and be ready to get docked and yeah, so that's our thing. Those should all be built. I might expand that. Probably will. I'll probably put it in 2 more lines just to make things a little easier. And I might look at upgrading the speed modules on the rest of them. On the these in here. I might also look at since I have the main refinery done. I might look at replacing these refineries with more industrial assemblers. And that way we can get more stuff being built. So until then, see ya. Bye bye.